I think it's like a 4-pounder, man. Oh, Lord have mercy. Whoa. Whoa. That's my PB for the year right there. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Joe Simpson. It is Sunday, March the 5th, and I'm just checking in this week, giving you a few more fish catches from prior days that Pat and I had gone out and gone fishing. We had a pretty decent day today. The bite was slow, but we picked up a couple good fish. This week I have a couple of Pat's fish catches. They weren't his best catches, but they were all he had on his GoPro card. So hopefully I'll get Pat out there with his GoPro a little more often, because he either matches or does better than me usually anyway. So that will increase the amount of fish catches we can view in my videos. The big fish that I caught this week was caught on a chatterbait. It was the Jackhammer. Surprise, surprise. I've been using that a lot lately. I tried everything this morning. I tried Texas rig. I tried Swimbait. I tried 2 different Jackhammers. I tried Lipless. I really couldn't get a bite going. And then finally we tried one other pond before we went home. Just like I was saying the last couple of videos, if you have bad luck and you just want to hang in there for that extra 30, 40 minutes to an hour, or try that one other spot you're thinking of, because usually if you have a hunch, you usually have a hunch for a reason. So today I was lucky. I went over and I caught like almost a 4-pounder, but that's really all I caught today. But that made the day worth it, believe me. So enjoy all the fish catches. Take it light on a Sunday. You guys be safe this week. Hopefully things will ease up soon and we'll all be able to get back out and go fishing some more. And I'll talk to you all soon. Later. Oh, dude, look at that bad boy. So I went as far as I could cast. Look, I still get them barely in the mouth. That's what I've been saying. God, look at that. Wow. Wow. Nice spring fatty. Gotta just get it going. Oh, that was too bad. Felt like I was throwing a bag of sugar back in the water. So I'm gonna set up. Fish. Fish, guys, a good one. Get out of there. Get out of there. He stopped it like a Mack truck. Holy moly. He went sideways on that bad boy. Wow, he throated it. Good for him. That's a good fish. No more damn hooks. Woo, here's a good one. He's about had it, guys. Quick, I'm gonna do a quick release on this guy. Good fish, he's getting a little dry. I better let him freshen up. There we go, he's good. Let's turn around and go over here where we think there's fish. I'm not gonna walk up on this bank too tight. Got one. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. See, look at this, man. I got him like in the face. Barely. Finally, the skunk is out. There we go. Little pounder. Caught it with this sprayed grass color. Jackhammer, little fish. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah. Dude, I didn't even reel it in. It just dropped like a jig. Yeah. That's a good fish, man. It's a good solid 1 3/4. Literally threw it, let it sit on the bottom, got my GoPro battery changed out, shut it, turned it on, started to reel it in, never even fluttered. I think he just had it in his mouth.
They love it over here. They love the red rattle traps over here on these rocks. Love it. Love it. First cast, bam. My pet fish. My pet fish. This is Henry. I'm sure George and Michael and Frank and everybody else is down there too. They love it down there. I can't believe you can get one hit on a spinnerbait. I figure with all that wind blowing.
You would think that's what it works. Yank it right out, man.
Yep, that's what I've been catching. Whole time.
Yeah, 6 inches.
Yeah, he's a little bigger than that, but not by much.
Yank it?
I guess so, man. Oh, that may have been just something that I hit. I wonder what's in the water there. There's one. Finally. Where is he here? Decent fish. Finally, gentlemen. All right. Let's see what we got here. Nice fish. Not bad anyway, right? On the red rattle trap. Reaction bite. I just need you to hit my chandelier if you could. Not a bad one, Joe.